In this demonstration we'll look at installing the DNS Server Role, and then what we'll do is we'll do some configuration of the DNS Server Role. I've come into Server Manager on the box I want to install the role on. We'll come to our Add Roles and Features, select our Next button, we'll go for role-based or feature-based installation, select the current server, and then what we'll do is we'll install the DNS Server Role, add the features which are the management utilities and select Next. Won't add any additional features and select Next. Quickly read through the summary and select Next. And then what we'll do at this point here is we won't bother turning on the tick box to restart the server. It's not actually required, and we'll select Install. Now this will just take a couple of minutes to install the role, so at this point we'll just pause the presentation and return back once the installation is complete. So as we can see, the installation is now complete, so at this point here we'll just select the Close button. Next thing we'll do is just do a bit of configuration on the server. So we'll come to Tools, we'll come to DNS, and that'll bring us into the DNS utility. Let's maximise this up, and what we're going to do at this point is we're just going to configure this server to actually forward its request to another DNS server that we have on the network. So in order to do that, all we'll do is we'll just right click on the server, and what we'll do is we'll just come to the properties of the server, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to come to forwarders. And in the forwarders, we'll just select the Edit button. And then all we need to do is specify the IP address of the server that we want to configure this server to forward to. And we'll enter 172.16.0.10. Now that we've done that, we'll just select click, wait for this to actually resolve through. So now we'll resolve through, we'll select OK and select OK again. If we expand up the server, what we'll also do as well at this point here is we're just going to create a new forward lookup zone. So we're going to create a zone record that this server can then resolve IP addresses and computer names to. So we'll right click and we'll select New Zone. And we'll select Next. We'll go for a primary zone and select Next. And then what we'll do at this point here is we'll just put in our zone name. And we'll select Next after giving it the name of contoso.com. We'll create the new file and select Next. What we'll do at this point here is we won't allow dynamic updates at this point and select Next. And then we'll select Finish. And then what we've now got is we've now got our forward lookup zone. Last thing we'll do at this point here is we'll just create a new record for this server to host. So we'll right click and we'll go for a new host. And then what we'll do is we'll just fill out this little wizard table. I'm going to create a record called ATL-SVR1. That'll create this fully qualified domain name, and we'll give it an IP address of 172.16.18.125 and select Add Host. Select our OK button, select our Done button. That's the end of this demonstration of installing the DNS Server Role and doing some basic configuration. Thank you.